Ona thutha wa thirikari gwikirira waki wa iganda thiini wa kaunti nicio aggregation centers, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya iganda Juma Mukwana nionanitie kwaga kuiganira na uria aigithia makoretwo makihimbiria mieke ya wonjoria iganda-ini ici.
We have a lot of potential as a country, and what I've told them is in their master planning they must take into account areas for industrial growth, industrial areas, because if you create an industrial area, then you create enough water to that area, you create enough electricity, roads, infrastructure, and we also support skills development, especially at the TVET institutions. So municipalities and cities are very important to the prosperity of this country, to the image that we create, that we want clean, smart-looking cities, not cities that are full of sewage and sometimes garbage and sometimes slums. That is cities of the past.
Mukwana ugete kaunti nyingi ni igomeirwo ni wagi wa mai, thitima na indo iria irabataranika niguo kugacirithia kuria na kuongerera mieke ya mawira.
If you look at what is happening with affordable housing, that vision of transformation is what we want the municipalities and the cities to carry, so that they replicate what is happening at the national level, to really clean up our cities, to create prosperity, and to ensure that our cities collect also the revenue, but not just create revenue, because we don't just want them to collect levies and license fees, but also to make sure that they first of all create investors' confidence, increase the number of investors, increase the number of industries, then they can be able to collect their licenses.
Akiaria kigomano-ini kia muthibari mwena wa Naivasha, Mukwana nioritie kaunti kugia na unyitaniri wa thirikari na andu kiumbe niguo kugacirithia uigithia.
It's projected that 2063 the whole of Africa will be an urban corner. So through MIDPs, municipal integrated development plans, these chairpersons are making themselves available to actualize the industrialization agenda. And so the consumerism as a way of living is not our concern. Our concern is now how to create wealth from the municipalities, which are the focal points for production and value addition.
Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa matauni na muthibari Anthony Macharia, thirikari nene ni yagereire kuheana kigina matauni-ini niguo gukuria kaunti ciothe bururi-ini.
One of the challenges that we are having, and this is why we would urge the permanent secretary to be able to assist us, is on the question of financing. Of course, we'll be discussing here how we can be able to finance cities and municipalities better. And one of the ways of the financing is ensuring that we not only transfer the functions from the counties, but at the same time be able to ensure that the counties have the necessary resources that correspond to the functions that they have, so they can be able to operate. And this is why we are making a request to the national government, to our president, through our PSA. Is it possible to ensure that we have conditional grants that are dedicated to the cities and municipalities to be able to create that robust infrastructure that will support the growth and development that we require to ensure that we have industrialization? Can we create a national urban fund?
Mwena-ini wake muikariri giti wa matauni na muthibari Webuye Buteo augite miaka iguka gitaro kia Afrika nigigukorwo kininite icagi na kugia uikaro wa kiriu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wambui wa Gitahi.